Honey.
DayJaMona, DayJaMona, DayJaMona. Hey. Good morning, you guys. So it's 3:40 something right now. I'm getting ready to go. I'm gonna go to the restaurant that I was at last night for my pickup spot for today's guide. That way it's easier, like I was telling y'all yesterday. And so the tour guide knows where to go, and I'm gonna leave here in a couple of minutes and head that way. So I'm pretty sure I have everything. One of my nails just popped off, so I'm gonna glue it back on real quick and then recheck my bag, make sure I have everything, and then head out. And then I just have on this t-shirt dress. I have on my bathing suit underneath. I have a wrap I'm gonna put in my bag that actually goes with the swimsuit. And then I have my water shoes. If you know what my water shoes are called or where I got them, comment down below, because that's how I know you a real one and you actually watch my videos. Hey guys, so I made it to the temple. This is already the line. Yeah. I'm here in line. Sunrise is at 6:22. So we definitely have a few minutes until sunrise, but this line's long already, so I don't think I'm gonna make it right at sunrise. As you can see, it's been quite an event today. Right now, I am having lunch, which is so needed because all I had today was a mini Kit Kat and some apple juice and some water and some tea. So I'm at this nice spot. I don't know what it's called, but it's really tranquil. I feel like that's the theme of the day, like tranquility, but I'll let y'all have a look. Just ordered an Indonesian dish with chicken satay and Indonesian fried rice and some vegetables. And then I got a mango juice and 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and then a pineapple or a Hawaiian pizza with no ham, extra tomato sauce for takeaway. So after this, it's time for the swing, which I'm super excited about. And then back to the house, because your girl's tired. I want a nap. And I need to do something with this hair. So, yeah. Today has been great though. The sights have been amazing. Like, just so breathtaking. And I'm enjoying it.